couple of things that we're going to be focused on for 2020. So we're adding USDC and Litecoin. I've actually already in my account. We're going to be rolling that out publicly the second week of January. So those assets will be available for you very soon, with interest rates that are, the best in the market, similar to what we're already doing for Bitcoin, Ether, and GUSD. We're also going to have fiat on and off ramps and a mobile app coming to you very early in 2020. So on the fiat on and off ramp side, it's going to start with wires. It's going to proceed to ACH in the US market, and then we're going to add on and off ramps for other currencies as soon as we possibly can. The mobile app is going to launch in 2 versions. Early in Q1, we're going to launch a read-only version. So you can go to the app, you can check your balances, you can probably adjust some of your profile settings, and then later on in Q1 or early Q2, the application is, the mobile app is going to have full functionality. So everything you can do on the Blockfi web app, you're going to be able to do in the mobile app as well. So we're really excited about that. The thing I'm personally most excited about for 2020 is that we're going to be launching a...
Hey YouTube, it's CryptoOneStop coming to you guys from the Crypto Cave, and I'm bringing you guys another update on the Blockfi platform. Before I give you guys an update on my account with my actual earnings, let me give you some context on the video that you just watched. That was the most recent AMA hosted by the CEO of Blockfi, Zach Prince. Either click the upper right hand corner of your screen or look in the description box below for the full link to the AMA. In fact, if you look in the description box below, you'll see all my published work on the Blockfi platform. Also, I'm working on a video to show everybody how to easily transfer USD stablecoins to the Blockfi platform and earn 8.6% compounded interest. If that sounds like something that interests you, make sure you guys subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you get alerted when I publish that video. And before I dive into the video, I just wanted to ask you guys to like, subscribe, and please comment below to help me grow this community. One feature I really like about Blockfi is the fact that they send you detailed monthly and annual reports on the interest that you've accumulated on the platform. In my past videos, I've disclosed my referral bonuses that I've earned and my ending balance, but if that's something you guys want to continue seeing moving forward, I need you guys to express that either by liking this video or commenting down below. If enough people are interested, on next month's video, I'll make sure to be fully transparent with how much referral bonuses I've earned and my ending balance on the platform. So again, make sure you guys either like or comment below. After reviewing my analytics, if I see that there's enough interest, I'll make sure again to disclose all this information to you guys in future video releases. As you can see here, I've earned $107 in this month alone with all the cryptos I have custodied with Blockfi. Also in the year, and I've only been doing this for a few months, I've accumulated $345 worth of interest payments. And you might be wondering, well, if you got paid $345, how come on the web application it says that you've been paid a total of $353? Well, this represents the total value of the cryptocurrencies that I've earned. So at the time of earning the cryptocurrencies, I may have been paid less in terms of their dollar value, but as those assets appreciate over time, they increase in value. So the assets that were once worth $345 are now worth $353. Let's say those same assets were to appreciate 100%. This value here would be double. So that would be $706. In that example there, it really demonstrates the power of the return multiplier effect. Not only are you earning 8.6% on your Bitcoin, but that return that you're getting, the interest payment that you're getting, can also go up in value as well. For example, let's say at the time of your deposit, Bitcoin was worth $7,000 and you're getting 8.6% on that. If Bitcoin were to double and go to 14,000, you'd still be getting the same amount of Bitcoin, but that Bitcoin would be worth more. If you look at the yield that you're getting relative to your cost basis, you bought $7,000 worth of Bitcoin and you're getting paid almost 18% on that because the underlying asset, Bitcoin, has appreciated in value. To use an analog, imagine your dividend stock earning you 8.6%. Not only are you getting back additional shares but those shares are also earning you additional dividend. In the legacy world, you can go ahead and enroll your stocks into DRIP, direct reinvestment plan, but the yield isn't anywhere as good as 8.6% unless you're buying a REIT or MLP. Usually in those cases, the dividend isn't very sustainable and you'll be paid a high yield for a certain period of time, but eventually that yield could disappear depending on the financials of the company. They also have products for people who might hold an agnostic or negative view of the digital asset space. For example, you can lend out GUSD, so you can go ahead and earn interest on your USD balance. That way you're not exposed to any of the volatility associated with Bitcoin. But let's say you're a Bitcoin bull, your thesis is long-term bullish for Bitcoin. This is a great way for you to put your Bitcoin to work and passively accumulate even more Bitcoin. And the nice thing about Blockfi is that they have additional services. I've mentioned in a previous video, you can actually trade in and out your crypto assets without any fees. Also, if you wanted to, you can flex, meaning you can put your USD on here, you can put your Bitcoin on here and get paid in Ethereum or any token of your choosing. So one potential option for people who are agnostic or apprehensive about buying Bitcoin, you could put your USD on here, earn 8.6% and get paid in Bitcoin rather than getting paid in USD. And if you ever change your overall thesis, you could always convert that GUSD into Bitcoin by trading it on the platform. In addition to that, they also have this loan feature. And if you wanted more insights onto my laddering strategy that I started a couple months ago, you can click on the upper right-hand corner of the screen. I've published videos on this in the past, and you can check them out if you want to learn more about how to leverage your crypto holding. Rather than jumping from platform to platform, Blockfi gives you a whole suite of services, and they plan to add more in the future. That way you don't have to go to different platforms for your various needs. All your needs in theory should be accommodated here on the Blockfi platform. And now I'll end the video by playing that remaining clip from the CEO of Blockfi. Again, all the relevant links are in the description below. And don't forget to leave a like or a comment if you want me to be more transparent about my earnings in future videos. With that, this is CryptoOneStop signing out. I'll talk to you folks next time. Bye.
The thing I'm personally most excited about for 2020 is that we're going to be launching a Bitcoin rewards credit card. So you're going to be able to spend money like you do on your credit cards if you have one today, except instead of earning airline miles or normal cash back, you're going to get an incredible Bitcoin cash back rate on every transaction that you make with the card. One of the things that we haven't talked about yet, but we're going to start talking about is your credit score. This is going to be a prime card. You're going to need to have a credit score probably at 680 or above to get approved for it. So if you don't know what your credit score is, or if it's a little bit below that range, definitely figure that out. Credit Karma is a great resource where you can check your credit score for free. Check that out and try and get your credit score over 680 so that you can get the Bitcoin Rewards credit card. In addition to this card being attractive to folks that already love Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, like all of us here, we think it's going to be a fantastic opportunity for the crypto curious to get their hands on some Bitcoin in a really easy and familiar way. And we're going to do a ton of exciting and fun marketing around that product starting in Q2 of next year.